easier access for getting in and out of your lifted Jeep JK with Rough Country's aluminum front and rear grab handles. These heavy-duty grab handles are incredibly easy to install and offer an easy way to climb into your cab. Rough Country's aluminum grab handles feature a contemporary geometric look that fits right in with the interior design elements of your Jeep. The built-in grip makes it easier and more comfortable to climb into your cab, while the reinforced aluminum housing provides unrelenting strength and durability. These easy-to-install grab handles bolt right into existing mounting points on your Jeep JK, with no drilling or complicated modifications required. Simply swap out your existing bolts with the extended bolt and thread system included with this kit for an easy upgrade that takes no time flat. No cutting or drilling is required to mount these handles, and the result is a tight, rigid connection that won't budge as you lift yourself into the cab. Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.